Hello, how you doing? Today we're making this beautiful meat curry. Now what I'm using today is goat. I'm using goat meat. You could use lamb, you could use beef if you want. Mutton, basically. So yeah, it's super spicy, it's super tender, it takes a little time to cook, but is it worth it? Oh yeah, baby. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so before we look at our meat, let's look at the spices that we're going to use today. What I've got here is 3 cups of sliced onion. Quite a lot of chili. There's about 2 or 3 tablespoons of chili there. You can adjust that as much as you like. 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder, 2 teaspoons of allspice, which is also called pimento to some people, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 2 teaspoons chili powder. I'm using Kashmiri just in case you're interested. 2 teaspoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons of turmeric, and 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. Let's take a look at our meat. So here's our meat. This is goat meat. You can use lamb, mutton or something like that. There's some bone in there. It's quite chunky cut, bit of fat. It's beautiful stuff. Now I've got there 1.5 kg. This is quite a lot that I'm cooking today. You might want to reduce this down. If so, just kind of half down everything that I've shown you so far. So 1.5 kg is just over 3 pounds. What we're going to do is we're going to mix all the ingredients I've just shown you into that meat. So I'm in a large mixing bowl and you can see that this is quite chunky. We're going to add to that. Let's take a look. The salt, the pepper, the garam masala powder and the allspice. The chili, the cumin and the turmeric. The fresh chilies, the onion, the ginger garlic paste, and then I'm going to pour on maybe about half a cup. Let's have a look. About half a cup of oil. I'm using a sunflower oil there. You can see that I've got a glove on, and I'm going to go in and we're going to give this a really beautiful mix for a couple of minutes. So here we are at the cooker. I've got quite a large pan here. This is, like I say, this is quite a lot. Most of you won't make this amount. Heat's on, and what we're going to do is we're going to just drop in the mixture, all in. Above medium heat, we're going to go for about 6 or 7 minutes, and I'm going to be stirring this around quite a lot. Beautiful, that's been cooking very nicely. Like very simply, we're going to add some tomatoes. I've got a couple of decent sized tomatoes there. To that we're going to add water. 2 cups of water that was. Going to give that a little mix. Then we're going to put it on super low heat, nice simmer. Lid's going to go on and we're going to cook that for 30 to 35 minutes. You can give it a stir every now and then if you like. Really easy, really beautiful. Okay, that's been like 30, 35 minutes. Let all that steam out. Now that is looking really, really beautiful. Now we're going to do another process that I like to do now. Now we're going to put it on maximum heat. We're going to add 1 cup coconut milk. And with the lid off, maximum heat, let this go for about 5 or 6 minutes. Stir it often. It will reduce down a little bit. It's going to be absolutely fantastic. Look at that. So off goes the heat. Beautiful stuff. See that 5 or 6 minutes on that high heat has reduced it down. I'm super, super happy with this one. Cilantro, coriander, on that goes. Check it for salt. Let's get that on a plate. That's a winner. And that is a bowl of absolute wonderfulness. Really, really. That's super, super soft, that meat. It's super spicy. It's lovely and tasty. Yeah, fantastic. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.